Hello guys. If you are at least interested in Japan and or know about Japan, I think you have heard that vending machines are everywhere in Japan. Although I don't think it is everywhere if you live in rural area. At least if you live in an area where you will find one convenience store or two within maybe 5-minute or 10-minute walk, I believe you will see one vending machine or two. And today I'd like to show you how many vending machines are there, or how it is true that vending machines are everywhere in Japan. Vending machines are not actually literally everywhere in Japan, but it is often near some factory or store, or sometimes beside house. So here are two vending machines. That's an old DVD, game, CD, book store, and there's another one. And I'd like to show you guys how true it is that it's said that vending machines are everywhere in Japan. By the way, it's about, here's another one, Daido. By the way, it is about 9 p.m. Hopefully, I will show you guys several vending machines alongside this street. I'll be talking in English, but maybe some people will think I'm crazy or something, but I don't care. I think there's another one. I chose this time because it is easier to find vending machines because they are bright at night. There's another one. Yep, here we go. Most vending machines at this time are lighted up, but it's not all. There are another one. That one, yeah, this one. There's another one there. Both. So if you live in Japan, you will not die from thirsty, at least. I think there's another one there, although it's kind of a bit far away. I think there are two. One here, and another one not there. Oh, another one there. Yeah, I think there are two. Let's turn left here. I live in Hachioji, Tokyo. Hachioji is a city kind of rural, but it's not really rural, but it's not urban. So I'd say Hachioji is suburb. And this particular street is not really fancy place. But for sure, along this street is place where a lot of people live and a lot of houses are. And there are apparently 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 of them. And if you have one coin, 100 yen, or at least if you have 120 yen, you can buy at least one drink. And for 500 milliliter PET plastic bottles, usually it's 150 yen, but this particular one sells for 130 yen. So there are not one within the range that you can see from here. I don't think you can see it, but there's a not mountain but kind of a tall hill there. Within 100 diameter, unless you live in really rural area, you will see one vending machine. I guarantee that. When I went to Montreal last summer, I nearly died of thirst. Oh, there's another one, but the gate is closed. I think this particular one is for people who work there, that factory. And I heard that abroad, that vending machines make quite good targets for anyone who wants money, because there are a lot of coins in vending machines. But in Japan, I don't think it is that. By the way, this is flower shop. Of course, it is closed. And here are two vending machines. And this is apartment behind these vending machines. There are Pepsi, Mountain Dew, and Orangina or something from France. Okay, let's keep going. And apparently there are 3 vending machines I can see from here. 2 on the right side. It's literally within for sure within 100-meter diameter, but maybe 70 or 80 meters apart from each other. Okay, here are two, and there's another one for sure. So vending machines usually stand where there are needs, so it's not literally everywhere. Coca-Cola. So the minimum price I have ever seen at vending machines are 80 yen. The highest price of drinks can be like 200 yen or 300 yen if a vending machine stands like at the top of some mountain. Wherever there are needs, there are vending machines. And here are two of them. Oh, actually, one there. Yeah, Coca-Cola again. Yeah, so here are three of them. Let's keep moving. Oh, there are two, or one, two, but this is factory, so I don't think... Oh, well, there's another one. Even though it's not lighted up, you can see that. It's Asahi and Calpis vending machine. And I found another one over there. That's within 60 meters or so. Yeah, here's Coca-Cola. And some sports drink and tea and coffee. There's another one. Even though I'm not going there. Well, I am, actually. Yeah, Coca-Cola, another one. By the way, this is a drugstore, Verusia. There are two of them. There. And here, Coca-Cola again. But this is by a bento store. So it makes sense. It is not just random place. So let's go back. So that's the yakiniku store that I just passed by. Here are three vending machines. Oh, this particular one sells cans for only 100 yen. Yakult, Yakulto. And yeah, Kirin. We haven't seen Kirin vending machines yet. Alright, so we got three. Asahi. Oh, and there's another one. This is pretty funny actually. Unless you have ever lived in Japan, I don't think you know that vending machines are everywhere in Japan. Okay, there are two of them. Pokka and Asahi and Calpis. This one, yeah, Calpis. And yeah, this is just out of nowhere. I don't think if you are like typical gaijin or gaikujin, I don't think you'd like to live in such a place like here. Like this is really literally the one you can see in this screen, even though I don't think you can see it actually, but it's mountain or at least hill. By the way, it's September 1st. Oh, here's another one. Yeah. You will never, I guarantee that you will never die of thirst if you come to Japan. Yeah, this is another one. And apparently it sells cans or even plastic bottles of 200 milliliter or 300 milliliters for 800 yen. This is cheap. Yep. And there's another one. When I went to Montreal, where I stayed in Montreal in a hotel, yeah, I couldn't find one vending machine. Yep, here are two vending machines, Boss and Coca-Cola. And there's another one there. Wow, I don't freaking know. I don't freaking understand why Japan has these millions of vending machines middle of nowhere. Wow. Do people actually need this many vending machines? Or here another one, but this is in some factory. But as long as there are vending machines, I think I can buy them. Yeah, here's another one, Coca-Cola. And this is some field, even though you can see it. Field of maybe rice. Kirin and Boss. No, it's not actually Boss, but it's Asahi. Okay, let's get back. Actually, there's another one just by the entrance of some factory. By the way, vending machines are of course 24-hour open. Even if a vending machine is not lighted up, when you put a coin, that will light up. This is the very street that I passed. Yeah, this street. Let's make a left turn at this corner. Oh, there's another one, Coca-Cola, by the entrance of pachinko shop. This is really narrow street, I think. Oh, there are some vending machines. Yeah, two of them. Daido and Boss. Look, they sell some Dragon Ball soda. Kamehameha. Apple orange soda. Orange. There's another yakiniku store. There's another one by the very entrance of factory. Santry. Yeah, we haven't seen Santry vending machine yet. Have we? Mountain Dew, Pepsi. Let's go. Hey, Coca-Cola. I think if you press some button, it will start. No. Let's put some coin. 100 yen. There we go. No, it's not. Is this working? No, I don't think this is working. I think some vending machines are not working at this time at night. Okay. Oh, apparently there's another one. Daido. Yeah, Daido. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. That's the same Dragon Ball orange soda. Yeah, here's another one. Okay. Let's keep going. Now there are two. One is not lighted up. Lighted or lit? Asahi, call this. Let's go back. Oh, there are one, two, maybe. One is here from Boss, and another one here, Coca-Cola. Okay, let's go back to the street. Several vending machines at one place. 4 of them, and 2 tobacco vending machines. One from Itoen, which is really famous for tea, ocha, and one Coca-Cola, and one Boss, yeah, and one from Daido, and tobacco vending machines. Yeah, do you know of it? Kent? I mean, Kent Switch. I think Kent is global company. I don't know. I think I should stop in a minute or so. I can do this forever. Because if you go 100 meters, you will see at least one vending machine. Yeah, okay. I found another one actually. on the left side, but I didn't go. No, there are 4 of them. Yeah, Boss, Coca-Cola, Daido, Asahi. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I could show you how many vending machines are in Japan and how true it is to say vending machines are everywhere in Japan unless you live in really rural area. I live in Hachioji, Tokyo, which is not that rural, but it is at least suburb. So yeah, once again, let me say that if you live in Japan or if you stay in Japan, you will at least never ever die of thirst. That's good enough. Bye. Bye bye. This was Kohei.